You can see here, it's very tight. Nearly impossible to pass. There's a lot of but I think. Hello everybody, this is going to be a short video thanking you all for the 2021 support you did to my channel. I wish to start by thanking Sharon, my partner. If she didn't support me, all this will not be possible, because as you can imagine, you have to go to do track, you have to edit. It takes a lot of time, a lot of sacrifice, and sometimes even she came with me to make my vlog, which is super. Also, I have to thank my teammates, which is Angela Caruana and Vince Paca. Both have their channel. They are super good teammates. We help each other, we support each other, and at the end, the meaning of team is only that part. And I have to thank many people from the media who supported me, like news group, like Guide Me Malta, like Stradariali, like Scoperta, Loving Malta, sometimes even Times of Malta. So, and then there are some TV programs like Mustaf, Bejnietna, and a lot of other TV programs that we went who helped us grow our channel even better. Also have to thank many local councils in Malta that help us gain access, private landowners and many subscribers and not who send us location where we can go. One of my biggest videos that I had, it was thanks to the local council of Berzebuja, which is Aril Frifet, that has gone viral in Malta. We visited this unique place and we really enjoyed one of the most beautiful caves in Malta. I have to thank Kalkara people, especially I'm from Kalkara, that from there we did many nice vlogs, like Villa Bigi, which was a very good hit. We did Rinella Fort, St. Rocco Fort. We did the old Luna Park, the old park. So in Kalkara, since I'm from there, I know many places. We're going to Gozo, which in Gioreshini was a very good video as well. So we have lot of places in Malta that we didn't still discover, and we still need to discover. And thanks to many people like you that send comments to us, this is possible. Thank you and Happy New Year. And thanks to everybody who helped me grow my channel to this part. Thank you.